Hello? This is Cheyenne Little Theater. Oh yeah, man. I'd love to play Santa Claus again in the Miracle on 34th Street. I haven't been working since the Christmas when we did the last play. No, yeah, I'd love to play. I'd love to do that. Yeah, no, that'd be great. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I even got my Santa Claus beard and everything. So I'm ready to go. Let's do this. Let's do this, yeah, I'll be happy to. Yeah. Yeah, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy, that'd be great. Okay, thanks for calling, guys. Thanks for thinking of me.